What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch YouTube and Netflix on the factory radio. So all you guys need is this little box right here. Let's unbox and open it. Cut this shit open. And I'm gonna put the link in the description. It wasn't that but $60, so hold up, let me set the camera up. And it's small, ain't that big. Just this little box right here. And this right here is a USB-C charger. You got the USB-C, I mean the USB in on it. And the USB-C in on it. Alright, let me turn the column first. Look it up in here. Give it a minute, let it load up. Here you go.
GPS connected.
What about remove device? Hold on, let me hook it back up. My radio is full right now, devices. Alright, let's give it a minute to boot up. There you go. Up. Started. Guess we'll try this again. Let it boot up again. Okay, there you go. Give it a little second. Guys, this is how it boot up right here. TikTok come on it, Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, Play Store, all that other stuff. Let's try. I know I'm gonna have to connect to the internet, but let me just show you guys YouTube real quick. Yeah, let me connect to the internet first. hope you guys can see. Let me turn this light off. Let me connect to my internet. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. I done connect to the internet. Oh shit, I'll turn it off. Alright, it's back connected. Let's go to YouTube now. I'm about to just click on a random video. Matter of fact, let's do a 4K video. See the quality. Let's check out this one. Let me check out what copyright. It's probably a little slow for this 11-hour video. Go to a little short one. You can use these right here, navigate it too. A little short video. Damn, how long will listen? 12 minutes. Turn it down so I won't get copyrighted. Pretty good quality. Yeah, pretty good quality. Alright, let's go back off YouTube. Let's go to Netflix, even though I'm not signed into my account right now. But just to show you guys Netflix work. I'm not signed into my account right now, but yeah. Even TikTok work. Let's go all the way out of that. Yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. Like I said, this is the little box. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And it was $59, was $60. Not bad. But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.